me share my screen. Mohan, you are already DBA, right? You are working on some other technologies.
Yeah, MySQL.
MySQL, right? Okay. So coming to MongoDB, today introduction class, okay? So what is MongoDB, who invented and what are the features, okay?
Okay.
You are already working on RDBMS, right? So RDBMS, we don't have any types actually, okay? RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. Then RDBMS Advanced ORDBMS will be there. But in NoSQL side, we have different types of NoSQLs, okay? So before that, I will clear you on CAP theorem. Okay, based on CAP theorem, basically architect or DBA can decide which database is suitable for their applications. Okay.
Okay.
You have any idea on CAP theorem? What is CAP theorem?
No, I don't have any idea.
Oh, okay. So CAP theorem has been introduced by Brewer. Okay. You can call it as a Brewer's theorem or CAP theorem. Both are same actually. So he has introduced this CAP theorem. CAP theorem is nothing but consistency, availability, and partition tolerant. Okay. Three are important, but as per Brewer's theorem, no database will satisfy all three: consistency, availability, and partition tolerant.
It's same as acid properties.
No, acid properties is nothing but atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. That is different.
Yes.
This is CAP theorem: consistency, availability, partition tolerant. This is different. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So consistency, availability, partition tolerant. These three. Okay. Acid properties is nothing but atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. That is acid properties. Okay. That is also part of this CAP theorem only. Okay.
Okay.
But we will call it as acid property. That is different. Yes. But actually, Brewer has introduced this CAP theorem. So consistency, availability, and partition tolerant. So consistency is also important for us. Okay, database. Suppose a client is reading from secondary server or from the cluster, he needs to be read the consistent data. So consistency is also important. Availability. Suppose you are writing a transaction on the secondary server. Is it possible on the secondary server? Take example MySQL itself, primary, secondary. Is it possible in MySQL?
Is it possible now when the duplication times?
I'm talking about secondary writes.
Okay.
Primary, secondary is there. Can we do writes on parallelly on the two servers?
Yeah, is it possible?
In case active to active means it will get replicate. Active to passive, how will it get replicate? Active to passive means primary transaction will goes to secondary. Secondary transaction how will goes to primary?
No. It does not go.
That's what. Yes. Availability in the sense client can connect to any one of the node, they can do writes. Take example primary, secondary, or primary two secondaries.
Okay.
So two secondaries, whatever the transaction you are written, that will not goes to primary, right? Standby means itself that is for read only mode, right? Not for write purpose, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So availability is nothing but from the application, they should able to read and write on the multiple nodes at a time.
Okay.
Partition tolerant is nothing but if something went wrong, one node crashed, something went wrong. Okay. So application should not goes down. Okay, for partial failures. So that is partition tolerant. All RDBMS, including MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, it is consistency, availability will be good compared to partition tolerant. Okay. So take a simple example of MySQL. It can be active to active or active to passive. Suppose one primary goes down. Secondary, automatically it will not become primary, right?
Yes, correct.
Until that is manual intervention is there until unless you have any cell script. But partition tolerant at a time you cannot achieve, right? It will take time.
Okay.
So we have to sacrifice one. It can be consistency or availability or partition tolerant. Coming to our MongoDB will be strong in consistency and partition tolerant. Why availability cannot achieve? Through replica set is there, primary standby concept. So on standby, you cannot do writes, only for read purpose, can't do writes. Okay.
Okay.
So availability cannot achieve. If you are using sharding, then availability also can achieve. But number of nodes, it depends on. Okay. So we have to sacrifice availability. Availability partition tolerant will be good in Cassandra.
Okay.
Okay. Because their peer-to-peer node can do read and write on any node. No primary, secondary concepts. All are master servers only. You can do read and write on any server.
Okay.
But consistency is not there because based on replication factor, data consistency across the nodes will be different. So consistency you have to sacrifice. Okay.
Okay.
Got right? There I
Yes.
took example only Cassandra. Okay. Like that.
Okay.
So Cassandra you have to sacrifice consistency. Availability will be there. All nodes you can do read and write anytime. In case one node go down, 5 nodes there, node goes down, no problem. We can do read and write on other 4 nodes. Partition tolerant is there, but consistency. When you are reading the data based on replication factor, there is a delay, consistency. Okay. So that is the reason we have to sacrifice consistency. So as per Brewer, 3 at a time we cannot achieve. We have to sacrifice one. It can be consistency or it can be availability. It can be partition tolerant. Any one of the item we need to sacrifice. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to NoSQL database. What do you mean by NoSQL? NoSQL stands for not only SQL or non-relational database. You can call it as a non-relational databases or not only SQL or not SQL. So it's nothing but except all SQL databases, it comes under NoSQL databases. Simple. Okay. All non-relational databases comes under NoSQL databases. Okay. So basically, NoSQL term itself was introduced in the year 1998. Okay. Very like in very old, very in the olden days itself, it has like used that term NoSQL. Or Carlos Torres, this guy has been used actually, but that is semi-structured, not complete NoSQL. That is a mixture of SQL and NoSQL database. But officially, in 2000, Graph database Neo4j is launched. Then in 2004 and 5, Google Big Table CouchDB is launched. Then Amazon DynamoDB is there. Facebook for Cassandra project, Facebook also introduced NoSQL. Okay, but officially NoSQL term was reintroduced in the year 2009. Okay, this NoSQL term was popular in the market from 2009 onwards, but actually introduced in the year 1998 only. But term was famous from 2009. After this, Cassandra, Facebook, okay, Big Table, CouchDB, all this came into place. Right? Then it became most popular. This NoSQL. These are the major features of NoSQL databases. It is non-relational. There is no relationship between objects. Schema is free, simple application user interfaces, data distributed, performance is good, availability, multimodal, concurrency, security, scalability, all are the major features in NoSQL databases. Coming to types of NoSQL, this is very important. So unlike RDBMS, here we have different types of NoSQLs. Main 4 types of NoSQLs are there: document oriented, key value stored, column oriented, graph based. First one, document oriented. So document oriented is nothing but key value pairs. Our MongoDB comes under document oriented NoSQL database only. Okay.
Okay.
So it is a first type of NoSQL, document oriented. So it's key value pair database NoSQL. Okay. Major features: flexible schema and supported secondary indexes, rich queries, data nested data structure and all. Okay. But document oriented, where we can use this kind of data, like it can be blog in e-commerce, web applications. Okay. These and all. Okay. We can use. If data is highly related or essentially over consistency, as per CAP theorem, we have to sacrifice, right? So consistency, partition tolerant, availability. Okay, availability you have to sacrifice, right? So based on CAP theorem, if you are not satisfied, this is not suitable. Okay, document oriented. Secondary, in key value store is nothing but in-memory databases. In-memory means we are storing the data in memory.
Okay.
We are not storing the data in hard disk. Okay.
Okay.
Like take example, sessions data, okay, or login details, cache information, this kind of data, basically. Okay. User profiles, username, passwords. Like take example, Netflix, Amazon, or AHA, this kind of login, logout. We are browsing, right? Simple browsing history, sessions data. This kind of information will store in the memory. For that purpose, you can use this in-memory databases. We'll call it as a key value store or in-memory. Both are same. Okay. So basically, to fast read and write access, okay, where we are storing the data in memory. So no indexes, nothing. Okay. When you can use, if you don't use any basic CUD operation only, not like update, insert, delete, all you cannot expect because the data will be in RAM, right? Memory. Okay.
Yes, correct.
So basically, when it is not suitable, like you want to maintain any relationship or you want to complex queries, that is not suitable.
Okay.
So key value Redis is popular in the market. Redis. So like MongoDB in document oriented, that is popular in the market, top one place. Redis in memory database, Redis is popular, is top one place.
Okay.
Come to column oriented. Column oriented is nothing but big table. Very long back they released, right? Like big table by Google. This kind of column oriented. Here we'll call it a column families. Okay. Column families, Apache Cassandra is famous in the market. Okay. Column oriented NoSQL databases. It's also major suitable for big data operations. Like big data, with term is used, right? Big data mostly they will go with MongoDB, Cassandra, mixture of NoSQL and RDB databases. Okay.
Okay.
And graph based. This is basically GPS tracking, this kind of information where we will store. Okay. Maps, this kind of information. Graph database is also famous in the market, like Neo4j is there. This oriented DB, these databases are popular in the market. Okay. Basically, we are seeing the data in the graph. Okay. Like location based, as I told earlier, GPS tracking, routing, dispatching. Simple, like we have e-cart, this kind of is there, right? Okay. For that purpose, will dispatch means like seller will buy the seller and like buyer will buy and the sender need to dispatch that items and all, right? Like DDTC couriers, like professional courier. Okay. For their purpose, they want to like check the using maps, right? Like when it was dispatched, when it is in like a transit position or this kind of information they want. Like take example, Coca-Cola or Pepsi, this kind of they want to see in the graph. So how much percentage profits loss they have got. So this is basically graph databases. Neo4j is top one place. That is good database. Oriented DB also there. These are popular graph based databases. So total 4 types of NoSQL databases mainly. Okay. Document oriented, key value store, it is in memory, column oriented, graph based. No, MongoDB comes under which type of NoSQL?
Document oriented.
Document oriented. Okay. This one. Document oriented database is nothing but, okay, where we are storing the data in key value place. Okay. Now coming to our MongoDB. MongoDB is a open source NoSQL database. It comes under document oriented. Okay. It is a cross-platform database. Cross-platform means you can install in Windows, you can install in Linux, Unix, any OS. Okay, and not any OS. I mean almost all popular OS, including Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Ubuntu, Windows. Okay, iOS, Apple also can install. Okay. Apple anyway we never install. Mostly we'll use Linux, right? Windows also sometimes. Okay. Coming to history of MongoDB. So initial stages, Tengen company was introduced in the year 2010. Okay, Tengen. Later they have renamed to MongoDB Incorporation. Company name has changed from Tengen Software to MongoDB Incorporation basically. Okay. Okay. On 2017 onwards, it became okay. NASDAQ has introduced IPO and all these and all from their end. So okay, MongoDB they have renamed from Tengen to MongoDB incorporation. Company name has changed actually. Okay. These are the main features of MongoDB. Okay, it comes under document oriented and support all the ADA queries, indexing, replica set, sharding, load balancing. Okay, you can use JavaScript to query the data.
Okay.
Basically, any database it should be written in C, C++ or Java, right? So basically, this has written in C, C++, C++, high performance. Okay, and storing the files, big size files in chunks, PDFs. So all this you can store basically. Okay, JSON data it will get stored, and we can retrieve through JSON, and it will store in BSON format, binary JSON. JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation.
Okay.
And auto sharding also there. Sharding also very big concept actually. Built-in replication is there. Automatic failover is there. Okay, performance is good. And apart from this feature, it is open source, right? Basically,
Okay.
why we are using MongoDB? Basically, it's open source, available for multiple operating systems, multiple programming languages, including Java, .NET, Perl, Ruby, all programming language they can use from development side. Okay.
Okay.
And all these features are available. That is the reason it's become most popular in the market. These are the versions they have reached: 3.0, 3.4, 4.0, and now latest version 8.0. Okay, 8.0 recently they have introduced. Okay, 7.2 also there in January only, but 8.0 recently they released. These are the use cases. So web application you can use for like content, CMS is there, right? Content management system, mobile application, including e-commerce, data analytic, reporting purpose, even gaming, internet things like games and all that. No? Apart from the big data, machine learning, most of the applications they are using MongoDB. These are the some prominent users, including Bosch, Cisco, okay, HSBC, IBM. Even our Aadhaar card details like fingerprint, biomedical details, it will be in MongoDB only.
Okay, fine.
Our entire Indian Aadhaar, because I worked for HCL actually. HCL is taking care of Aadhaar card details. Okay. So Aadhaar card details will be in MySQL and MongoDB. Biometrical fingerprint, these kind of details are storing in MongoDB, and RDBMS like enrollment, username, password, mobile name, or all relational data it is storing in MySQL. Okay, both we are using for Aadhaar card. So not only this, there are many US, UK, even like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Kuwait. There are a lot of countries they are using MongoDB, okay, including Swiss Bank, okay, Dubai National Bank. There are many companies they are using, okay, MongoDB. It's popular in the market. I will show you one thing. So website will be mongodb.com. See, this is the website. Here the sleeve symbol is there now. So earlier it was green color. Now it has changed to black color. So here if you see 8.0.1 is the latest version.
Latest version.
This one, current version. Earlier 7.2 is there, but they have removed from here. Only 7.0 is there. Coming to DB storage engines ranking. See here, if you check for MongoDB, 5th place, right? This one is. But when you check first 4 places, PostgreSQL is RDBMS, SQL RDBMS, MySQL, Oracle, all are RDBMS.
Okay.
This one NoSQL, right? See, NoSQL is on the top 1 position in case document oriented. See, Redis, I told you, right? Redis is in memory, key value. This is top 1 place in NoSQL in memory side. See, Apache Cassandra. This is column oriented, right? I told you. This is first place in column oriented. Like that, we have Neo4j. This is graph oriented, first place. Okay, these are the popular database in the market. See, whatever the points we have discussed so far, everything will be there. Document oriented databases. Okay, initially introduced by Tengen company, now MongoDB incorporation, 2009 officially 3.0. But here they have not updated 7.0, but we have 8.0.1 is the latest version as of October. It's a open source, even having license also can take from MongoDB incorporation. Okay, it's available for multiple operating systems. and written in C++. Schema free and available for multiple programming languages, and you can use JavaScript server side. Sharding is there, replica set is there, data immediately consistent. Okay, everything it is there. See. Here itself you come to know what are the openings are there, any market is going, everything you can here you can see. Okay, any openings are there, any news about MongoDB. This is a very good website. Okay, you can just follow this website. What is happening, everything you can come to know for all the databases, not only MongoDB. It can be MySQL, Postgres, okay, Redis or any database. Here you can check. Okay, what is the use of that database? Any news, any job openings are there? Everything can cross check. Okay. If you concentrate on top 10 databases, then your future will be very good. You are already working on MySQL, right? This is RDBMS. MongoDB is NoSQL. MySQL MongoDB combination is very good actually in the market, current market.
Okay.
So MySQL plus MongoDB means your job security will be there, and you can get good package. Okay, feature also will be good. Next 5 to 10 years, you don't need to think that.
Okay.
Because nowadays it is very difficult to survey with one database.
Yeah, nowadays MongoDB is very popular. All.
Yeah, not only popular, but nowadays with one database, it's very difficult to survey. That is very important.
Yes, correct.
See, simple logic I will tell you. If you know Oracle,
Okay.
they will ask for MongoDB or MySQL Postgres. If you know only MySQL, nobody will ask you know Oracle.
Okay.
If you know only MongoDB, also nobody will ask for Oracle, MySQL and all.
Okay.
That is the reason, because that many openings are there. If you know enterprise, even if you know SQL, they will ask MySQL or Postgres or Mongo.
Okay.
If you know only open source, nobody will ask you any enterprise license. DB2, SQL, Oracle, nobody will ask you. That is, demand will be very good for open source databases. Okay. It can be MySQL, Postgres, Mongo, Redis. All these databases are popular in the market. Okay. That's what. Don't stick with the one database. Okay. Okay. Just learn new database after MongoDB. After some time, just go with the Redis or go with the Postgres. Okay? Then only can survey and you can get more package. Okay, security will be there. Okay, if you have stick to only one database, right, in future you have to struggle. Okay. Learn, this is very good. Okay, MongoDB nowadays it's popular in the market also. There are many openings actually for MongoDB. Combination of MySQL, MongoDB is very good actually in the market, because these two combination most popular in the market. MongoDB plus MySQL. Okay. Even if you don't know MySQL also, it's MongoDB itself, 3 place, 4 place, you can easily get a job. Okay. Okay, combination that is very good, because you can ask good package also. Okay. Because two technologies are available. That is that. Okay. And coming to course content, yeah, that is important. This is the overview of MongoDB course content. Okay. Okay. Today only theoretical session. Okay. CAP theorem, NoSQL databases. You clear about this, like theoretical topic, right? Yes. What are the prominent users there? Okay. Why we are using MongoDB? Comes under which NoSQL? Types of NoSQL? What is CAP theorem? MongoDB history? Yeah. Everything so far we have discussed, right? Okay. Now you got some little bit idea on MongoDB, right? Why we are learning MongoDB? Who introduced? Okay. Yeah. Comes under which NoSQL? How many types of NoSQLs? What is CAP theorem? These are okay. Okay. Anyway, you will get the recording video and this PDF also. Okay. So you can go through again and again. Okay. You can just, if you have any doubt, just come back to me. From second session, everything practical. Okay. Okay. Better have one Linux operating system. Okay. CentOS is good. It is open source. Okay. I have CentOS and Red Hat also. Yeah, Red Hat, we have enterprise edition, then no problem. There also can. Okay. Your wish, both are same only. Right? Okay. Okay. Any Linux operating system, it can be Fedora, CentOS, or Red Hat. Okay. But license version should be there. If you have trial version, right, then it is difficult to install. It will ask for license always. That is the reason. If you have license version of Red Hat, then no problem. You can directly install. Okay, that's what CentOS I suggest, because CentOS it is open source, right? Yes, correct. If you already having RHCL license version, then you can practice there itself. You no need to install CentOS again. Okay. So basically in Linux, we have different types of installations like M repository, RPM, generic binaries. There are three types of installations.
Is same
Windows
as to
also,
MySQL installations.
yeah, like
In my,
MySQL. Yeah,
in
MySQL
MySQL,
also same, right?
same
Same.
M repository, RPM, generic
Mhm.
binders.
These are all common.
Okay.
But few RDBMS does not support like generic
Okay.
binaries, M and all. Here
Okay.
three types there. RPM you can download, Red Hat Packet Manager, or
Okay.
M directly from the internet, or
Okay.
offline installation.
Okay.
This is advanced. Directly tar package you can download.
Okay.
In Windows also we have two types of installation. MSI as usual, that is graphical installation, and zip part. Okay. So in Windows and in Linux, both will install, uninstall, and connection validation, where configuration file data will get stored, everything will discuss.
Okay.
Then after installation, then this is development topic little bit because this is not RDBMS, right? So
Yes.
better have some knowledge on architecture, what is JSON, what is BSON, compared to RDBMS. Here what we'll call, what is collection, what is document, okay,
Okay.
what is database, okay.
Mm.
This we are going to discuss. Then
Okay.
commands. RDBMS, in any RDBMS, that commands won't get changed. Let's select, insert, update, delete. Syntactically different from database to different database, but here totally different. Okay, it's not
Okay.
like simple select, insert, update, delete.
Okay.
Here some little bit JavaScript we have to use. db
Okay.
dot collection name dot. Some syntax is totally different from RDBMS. So
Okay.
here you will get basic knowledge. How can create collection, how to drop, how to cut operations, TTL collection.
Okay.
This and all we are going to discuss. Then indexes. Here also like RDBMS, here we have single key, multi key,
Okay.
okay, geographical indexes and all that. Then as a DBA, you have to manage user privilege, right? Here also we have ACL, access control, account management. So here we create the user, create role, assign privileges, drop user, connection validation and all. So any database, we have main two types of backups, right? Physical backup, logical backup.
Logical.
Here also we have file system level backups and using tools like there in MySQL we have MySQL dump, right? Here we have, we'll
Yes.
use my Mongo dump, Mongo restore commands.
Okay.
And phantom recovery. Here uplog, there binary log, right? Here uplog is nothing but transaction log. So
Okay.
if you know one database, it's very easy to learn other databases. That is the
Okay.
benefit. Okay. So you can compare. See here Mongo dump, there MySQL dump. Here uplog, there binary log. Like that. So like that, you can easily understand one database to another database. Replication. Here we'll call it as a replica set.
Okay.
So then sharding. Sharding only, it's a here very big topic actually. Okay. This only very big topic. Apart from this, all topics are very easy to understand, easy to learn. Okay. This only, it's very big topic actually. Okay. But anyway, in real time, few big data, like if you have terabytes of data, like 50, 100, 200 terabytes of data will be there, right? There they will use sharding actually. It's very big concept.
Okay.
We have config servers, routers, okay, SAT servers. It's very big concept actually. This is good to learn. Okay, in big organization they might use this. Then upgrading as usual from older version to new version. Now 7.0 to 8.0.
Here it's only minor version only.
Same major to major. See in open source, any database minor to minor we never do. Okay.
Okay.
It can be MySQL or Mongo, Postgres. Minor to minor, we never perform. So in Oracle, SQL, DB2, because they are enterprise editions and with a lot of bugs, right? They will raise the ticket to Oracle Corporation or Microsoft or IBM. They will ask us to do patching. They will call it as patching, right? Do this patch, that patch. That is regular activities for them. But for open source, we never do this kind of patchings for minor versions, okay? Until unless we have any specific bug to the application, okay? Suppose we are using 7.0 some version, minor version. We have specific bug. Regularly we are getting that bug. Okay, vulnerability is there. In that case only we will go for minor upgrade. Okay. Otherwise we never go for minor upgrades actually. Okay, in open source. Rare cases, very rare. Not only here, even MySQL also we are already working, right?
Yes.
Did you saw any minor version upgrade there?
No, no.
Minor to minor. Mostly
No.
major to major only. Minor
Yes.
until unless you have any bugs like bugs to fix on that particular minor version, then only we'll go for patching.
Mm.
Okay. They're patching nothing, just they're upgrading nothing, but just simply uninstall minor version, install new version, then start service. That's it, nothing else. Okay, patching.
Okay.
Compass, like MySQL, we have MySQL Workbench, right? Here MongoDB Compass is the GUI tool, graphical user interface.
Okay.
So this is for managing databases collections very easily.
Okay.
Then as usual, performance tuning and optimization tips. Here also we have my MongoDB.yml file is there. Okay, how to tune under. These are the topics actually. Mostly it will take 20 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Daily 1 hour will take. Okay. These are all 1 hour it will be fine. Okay. Only
Okay.
from the replica set only, the sharding only it will take minimum 2 hours. This also can complete 1.5 hours. Okay.
Mm.
All other topics 1 hour topics only.
Okay.
Only sharding only big concept. Replica set also can complete in 1 to 1.5 hours.
Mm.
All are 1 hour can take. Okay. Mohan, any doubts so far? Like
No, no problem. I'm good at that topic.
so we'll start with the installation. You're already having Red Hat, right? So
Yes.
after each class, we will get a PDF. Okay, then we can do practice in your Red Hat. Okay.
Okay.
So Red Hat or CentOS in operating system. So practically, once you've done the practice, then it is very easy to install in real time. Also, we'll use the same command, same process, everything remaining same only.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with the latest version itself. Okay, installation and all won't get changed. Okay, it can be older version, it can be new version, nothing will get changed. Same process only. Okay.
Okay.
Even any database, it can be MySQL or Postgres. Process won't get changed. Okay.
Okay.
Same that every repository, RPM, generic pending, these are all common. Okay.
Okay.
Process won't get changed. Okay. Same types of installation only. Okay. So we'll start directly with 8.0.1 version only directly.
Okay.
Same time should be fine, right? 7 to 8, or you need any other timings?